This is a tutorial video for Honda PCX. To turn on the bike, press the key icon until the remote indicator turns green and place it close to the bike. Press the knob one time, then a sound and key indicator will appear on the bike panel. Next, to start the engine, turn the knob clockwise 2 times toward the eye or ignition. Make sure that you kick up the side standard or the engine won't start. Then start the bike as usual by pressing the brake and the starter button. To turn off the bike and open the seat or fuel tank, turn the knob counterclockwise 1 time, as it will turn off the engine. To open the fuel tank, press upward the fuel tank release button next to the knob. Turn the petrol cap counterclockwise to open it. After you're done, close it by turning it clockwise. And do not forget to make sure that it is locked by pressing the lid till you hear a clicking sound. To open the seat, press downward the seat release button next to the knob and lift the seat. When you're finished, do not forget to make sure that it is locked by pressing the end of the seat till you hear a clicking sound. To turn off the bike completely, turn the knob counterclockwise 1 more time, as it will kill off the electricity. And if you want, press the alarm button on the remote for it's no longer connected to the bike and the alert for the bike is on.